Range Rover engine number 508 PS. Tightening po torque of main bearing. You can tighten 60 Nm first. Okay. All 60. The first attempt is all 60 Nm except this side bolt. Then additional of 70 Nm. Okay, 70 Nm is enough because main bearing can be hold of this side bolt and another side bolt here, so that is enough to torque the main bearing. This is the old one, standard size, then I replace with a new one, the same size, standard size. After all tighten the main bearing, you can bang the bolt, the head bolt. So that the bolt thread sits properly on the engine block. I learned this from one of my instructor when I attended the training course.